Hello hungry fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few breakfast hacks from 5-minute crafts and see if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I'm going to whisk the egg whites till stiff peaks using a beater. Here I have a red bell pepper. You can use any bell pepper you have. Add the egg whites inside the slice. Spread it out evenly. Then add the egg yolk in the center very carefully. Cover it up completely with the egg whites. I'm going to flip it after a minute and again let it cook for a minute or so. Sprinkle some salt and add coriander leaves for garnish. Let's cut it. The egg yolk is not that runny, but the whole egg and the bell pepper is cooked enough. Let's taste it now. The taste is nice. The egg is very fluffy, holds its shape and it didn't seep out of the bell pepper, which is great. Also, if you serve this as your breakfast, it looks very fancy. So it was a very successful hack. For the next hack, I have a slice of bread. Place a cheese slice over it. Then pipe the cream cheese on the edges of the bread. Pour the egg on the center and place another cheese slice over it. They didn't mention if we have to bake or microwave it, so I'm going to try both. This is how it looks when I microwaved it for a minute. I kind of knew something like this will happen, so let's bake it for 3 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And this is how the baked one is looking. The cream cheese is a bit melted and the egg has seeped out, maybe because of the difference of the quality. It looks a bit overcooked after cutting, but let's taste it first. Surprisingly, the taste is really good. I didn't even add any seasonings, but still the taste is great. And of course, the microwaved one is super soggy and overcooked as well, just within a minute. So for me, even the baked one is a 50-50. I'm going to apply some cream cheese on the bread. Since I don't have strawberries, I'm adding mango, which we get in this season. Place the mango cubes like this and fill the gaps with cream cheese. To give it some height, I'm going to add one more layer of mango cubes. Just place it over the bottom pieces and again fill the gaps. In this, obviously the taste will be different, but I want to check that how magically the bread became a cake just by chilling it. Place another slice over it and I'm going to smoothen out the edges and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Here I have a mix of powdered sugar and cinnamon powder. I'm going to sprinkle it using a strainer. So later I realized that they only use cinnamon powder. To match the cake with the video, I'm also adding some cocoa powder. Let's cut it now. As you can see, it is not as soft or smooth like it was in the video, but it looks very pretty. If you add some sugar syrup on the bread slices, it would become like an actual cake and that would taste really amazing. So again, this hack is a 50-50. For the last hack, I've separated the egg yolks and egg whites. I'm going to whisk it and first pour the egg yolks on the pan. So in total, I used 6 egg yolks and 4 egg whites to fill the pan completely. I also added salt while whisking. Then with a pizza cutter, cut into thin strips like so. Take out alternate strips of the yolks and fill the empty spaces with the egg whites. Once it's cooked, take some leftover rice. Here I had some leftover masala spicy rice. Place the rice a bit cross or diagonal to get the stripe effect. And then roll it. Be careful because it is a bit hot. Let's taste it now. And this is how it will look if you place the rice straight like they did, which is also fine, but the other one looks more pretty and fancy. The taste completely depends on your rice. I used the spicy rice, so the taste was really nice with the egg. So yeah, this hack was successful. A big shout out to Ma Mudduzaman Jewel for suggesting these breakfast hacks. If you want a shout out in our video, then subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram at Hunger Plans and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.